features, and I've enjoyed it since I got it. You could do a lot on it. I could take meetings on this. It has everything. When you want the map, you could just go straight over here. You click on that and it takes you where you need to go. Got some address saved. You start, things like that. It's fantastic. And that's not just that. It has an inbuilt map on its own. If I didn't want to use a CarPlay option, it gives you this one called I think it's iGo. Yeah, the iGo map is pretty cool too. I just prefer the Google map, but this is really nice too. This could take you anywhere too. So I like the product. I really do. I really do. It does a lot. That's the CarPlay option. If you don't want to use that, you can use theirs. I like to use the CarPlay because it's just like an extension of my phone. So yep, I like it.